Here is the first sample, which is of 6 band sample. So you can take the screenshot and then you can compare this with the 8 band sample. So you will get an idea that how you should write your task 1 in order to get 8 bands. So now let's move to the another sample of 8 band sample is here. So this is the proper way to write your 8 band sample. You can take the screenshot of this as well so you can easily compare. So in the last of the video, I will give you the idea that what are the mistakes in the previous sample 1 and how you can improve it. Watch the video until the end of the video. So here are the mistakes in the 6 band sample, and now I'm gonna show you how you guys can improve it. So just take the screenshot if you want. Now let's get moved to the mistakes and how to make it correct. Okay, so which is written in the black color is the wrong one and in the blue color is the correct one. The first one, which I highlighted in the red, was expected to get it same. So what's the problem here? Let's first discuss this one. This phrase is incomplete and awkwardly constructed. So how you can write it? Expecting to get the same product or expecting the product to be the same. This is the correct way to write that sentence. Now move to the second one. Fell short of what was anticipated while ordering. It was written like this in the 6 band sample. So how can you write this in the 8 band sample like this? The problem was here, this phrase sounds a bit awkward and the use of while ordering makes it unclear whether you are referring to the process of ordering or product itself. So this is confusing one. So how you can write it better like this? Did not match what was described on the website. Instead of writing the fell short of what was anticipated, you can write like this. Now move to the third one. Here, since the gown was too short, seems this is for teenage girl. So according to 8 band sample, what is the problem here? The phrase seems this is for the teenage girl lacks the clarity and proper structure. Also, the word since here doesn't connect the properly to the second part of the sentence. So this is the mistake here. So how can you improve it like this, which is written in the blue color? The gown was much shorter than expected and appeared to be more suitable for a teenage girl. This is the perfect, the formal way in order to achieve 8 bands. Move to the fourth one. This is not the only problem, but the color was red. Here, the phrase "this is not the only problem" is a casual and could be more formal. This is not wrong, but it is more casual. So you can make it more formal. Also, the word "but" is not the best connector in this case. So you can write it. In addition to the sizing issue, the color was red instead of white as advertised. You need to focus on the information, like what is expecting from you by the examiner to write and to focus that your product is not seen as a description. So you must take care to describe that how the product is different, whatever you have ordered according to the advertise or according to the description. So now move to number 5. I'm totally disappointed with the purchase. What's the problem here? The phrase totally disappointed is informal, guys. You're writing about the formal and overly emphatic. In formal communication, it's better to keep the tone more measured. So how you could write it better? I'm disappointed with the purchase. Instead of writing I'm totally disappointed. Now move to the second last. I would like to suggest a solution to fix the issue, either to refund the money I had paid for or made an exchange. What's the problem here? The phrasing is clunky and unclear, especially with the either to refund the money I had paid for and made an exchange. How you can write it better? I kindly ask, you guys need to request. Don't write in informal tone. I kindly ask that you either refund the full amount of an or offer an exchange. This is the good way to write. The last but not least is, I hope would take my suggestion. Here's the mistake. U is missing. Oops, sorry. I hope you would take my suggestion into consideration. So this could be better written as, I hope you will take my concerns seriously and address the issue promptly. So this was the mistake in your sample 6 band. That's why that was of 6 band. In order to get the 8 band, you need to take care of your tone, your grammar, your coherence and cohesion, as well as your lexical resources. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.